If you're over 60 and you've noticed aching joints, tingling fingers, or weak knees when you stand up, this could be a collagen problem. Collagen is the protein that holds your body together. It cushions your joints, supports your skin, and even strengthens your nerves. But after 60, your collagen levels start to drop fast. The good news? You can rebuild collagen naturally, without supplements, using these 7 powerful fruits that are packed with collagen-boosting compounds. Let's dive in. 1. Guava, the vitamin C superfruit. Visual sliced guava on a cutting board. Zoom on the pink flesh. Guava is one of the richest sources of vitamin C, and guess what? Your body can't make collagen without it. Vitamin C triggers collagen production, especially in your joints and skin. Just 1 guava gives you more than twice your daily requirement. Add it to smoothies, fruit salads, or just eat it raw with a pinch of sea salt. 2. Kiwi, for joint repair and flexibility. Visual peeled kiwi being sliced, green flesh with seeds visible. Kiwi contains both vitamin C and vitamin E, a powerful combo for reducing joint inflammation and rebuilding damaged cartilage. It also contains antioxidants that protect your collagen from breaking down too quickly. Pro tip: eat it with the skin for even more fiber and nutrients. 3. Berries, the anti-aging trio. Visual mixed bowl of strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are rich in ellagic acid and anthocyanins, 2 plant compounds that protect collagen fibers from oxidative stress. That means fewer wrinkles, smoother joints, and stronger tendons. These are perfect as a daily snack or added to your breakfast oats. Oranges, more than just vitamin C. Visual, orange being peeled and segmented. Oranges are famous for vitamin C, but they also contain hesperidin, a compound that supports blood circulation and nerve health. If you're dealing with cold hands or tingling feet, better blood flow helps bring nutrients to those nerves, and collagen helps repair the protective sheath around them. 1 orange a day goes a long way. Sliced papaya with seeds visible, placed on a tropical leaf. Papaya is rich in vitamin A and enzymes like papain, which help your body break down old proteins and use them to build new collagen. It's also a natural anti-inflammatory, making it great for those stiff joints or sore knees after a long walk. Bonus, it's easy to digest, perfect for older adults. 6. Pomegranate, the collagen protector. Visual, close-up of pomegranate seeds being scooped out. This vibrant fruit isn't just beautiful. It contains compounds that prevent the breakdown of collagen and stimulate fibroblasts, the cells that make new collagen. That means stronger ligaments, improved skin elasticity, and better joint function. Try it as juice or sprinkle the seeds on your salad. 7. Avocado. Yes, it's technically a fruit. Visual, avocado sliced in half. Seed removed. Creamy texture. Avocado is packed with healthy fats and vitamin E, which protect collagen structures from damage and keep tissues flexible. It also contains glutathione, a master antioxidant that helps slow aging at the cellular level, including your joints and nerves. Mash it on toast, add it to smoothies, or enjoy it with eggs. So let's recap. If you're over 60 and want to restore strength, flexibility, and nerve health, start with your plate. Guava, kiwi, berries, oranges, papaya, pomegranate, avocado. These 7 fruits are not just tasty. They're your body's natural defense against collagen loss, inflammation, and joint pain. Start adding 1 or 2 to your meals each day, and you'll feel the difference in your joints, hands, and energy. Just feel the difference in your joints, hands, and energy, because it's never too late to